welcome to the Great Movie Ride. Once again, my name is Lauren, and on behalf of Disney's Hollywood Studios and Turner Classic Movies, please welcome our host for this one-of-a-kind tour, Robert Osborne.
Thank you for ready for Hollywood indeed. What better way to start our journey? From the Old West to the rooftops of London and along the yellow brick road, there really is no place like the movies. One of Hollywood's significant contributions to the world of film were great musicals. This scene is from one of my favorites, the 1933 Busby Berkeley spectacular, Footlight Parade. Here's one of the most famous of all dance sequences, which is the 1952 musical classic, Singing in the Rain.
Here's Gene Kelly, Singing in the Rain. Literally.
Here's one of the quintessential Disney musicals, Mary Poppins, starring Julie Andrews and Dick Van Dyke. This classic earned 13 Academy Award nominations.
Chim Chim Cheree. I love this song. Sing along. Hold on to those wallets and purses, folks. This doesn't look like a very good neighborhood.
Here's the birthplace of the gangster film, the seedy underbelly of Chicago from The Public Enemy, starring James Cagney. Released in 1931 before strict censorship rules were enforced, Public Enemy is a gritty, realistic, and violent look at the world of gangsters of the Depression era.
I love this movie. In one famous scene, James Cagney shoves a grapefruit in May Clark's face. She could never look at breakfast in the same way again. These tough guys could turn anything into a weapon.
Very nice.
Is it done? Just a bunch of rubber-necked tourists.
Shut up, you two. You want to blow my cover?
Sorry about the delay, folks, but I don't want to run a red light, even in the movies.
Psst. Hey! Hey, you! Come here.
I'm not allowed to leave my vehicle.
I said get over here.
I think it's time for a visit to a concession stand. Bye.
Mr. Osborne, wait! Oh, okay, Bugsy, whatever you say.
Hey, how did you know my name, anyways?
I have seen this movie before.
The heat's on. And your fancy car is my ticket out of here, so beat it.
You're making a big mistake here, Bugsy.
I said scream out of here, or you're gonna get hyped.
Just walk out in the middle of the
No,
Here they come, bud!
Just
Get out, you grinders! I'm hit! Hey, I'm hit! Bugsy! They got win! Bugsy! Bugsy! Win hit bad! Real bad!
Everybody sit tight. Everybody looks against the wall. I would never break the wall. Hey, lady, watch this. Come on, red light.
Bugsy!
Suckers! Hey, what are you looking at? Everybody mind your P's and Q's, and maybe you won't get hoit. Whoa, this must be the west side of town, huh?
Western films depict a legendary American wild frontier, where cowboys and their loyal steeds maintain order in towns against the untamable wilderness.
Go right ahead and
Clint Eastwood are two of the iconic stars who epitomized
Long
this
time
kind of
ago, I made me a rule.
gunslinger.
let people do what they want.
Sleepy little pig, eat me.
Oh, well, that's some mighty tough territory you're heading into, Pilgrim. I'd think about turning back if I was you. That is,
Now that we're in the clear, now's the perfect time to collect up all your valuables. Let's start with the jewelry and move on to the hard cash. Everyone has... I don't even want to say that. Oh, nuts! I'm nuts to this. I'm getting out of here.
Nothing doing, old man.
I'm going this way, but can't get any voice. It's twice. I don't know about you guys, but this is starting to get kinda creepy. Where are we? Jersey?
Science fiction has been a staple of classic movies, from George Méliès's The Trip to the Moon to George Lucas's Star Wars.
Hey, Dollface! How do we get out of here?
Warning. Remain in your vehicle. The area you are entering is extremely dangerous. Proceed with caution.
The emergency destruct system is now activated. Ship will detonate in T-minus 10 minutes. The option to override expires T-minus 5 minutes.
Where's that thing? There it is again! Okay, that is enough pretty cool things one day, right? Wrong.
Steven Spielberg and George Lucas cemented their status as the blockbuster boys with their first partnership. Here from that legendary collaboration is Harrison Ford as archaeologist Indiana Jones in Raiders of the Lost Ark.
Snakes. Why did it have to be snakes?
Some of the biggest horror stars of Hollywood have feared the ancient story of a great Egyptian temple. Priceless jewels the second to all, but he warned the temptation always leads to destruction.
Oh, get a load of that chunk ice. Time for me to get back to work. Good thing I don't believe in ghost stories. Now that nobody move while I go get the goods. I don't think they'd notice a few extra bodies around here. If you know what I mean.
I've seen enough movies to know that you really shouldn't even think about trying to steal a jewel.
Halt, unbeliever. Disturb the treasure of the gods, and you shall all pay with your lives.
Not bad for my first movie, huh?
The twist ending? That just goes to show you anything can happen in a movie. Now, let's get on with the show.
Six Echo, bump of the night. How always been created by the Lumiere brothers in 1897. Wow. It's really a jungle out there. Where are we?
This is the jungle home of one of the most famous movie characters of them all, Tarzan. We are Tarzan and Dr. John Weismore. This is the full film as the King of the Jungle.
Over there we have Maureen O'Sullivan as Jane and Tarzan's sidekick Cheetah, who was portrayed by over a dozen chimpanzee actors over the years.
Someday you'll understand that. Here's looking at you, kid.
Here's Humphrey Bogart in his most famous film role. In 1942, Bogey finally got to spread his wings and romance the beautiful Ingrid Bergman in Casablanca.
Inside of us, we both know you belong with Victor.
And now, one of the most famous movie stars in one of his greatest roles, Mickey Mouse, as the Sorcerer's Apprentice in Fantasia.
When the film came out in 1940, Walt Disney promised to add new musical sequences in the future. His nephew Roy kept that promise 60 years later with the release of Fantasia 2000.
We come over the rainbow and into one of the most beloved and most watched films in movie history, Wizard of Oz.
Toto, I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore. Wonder how we get out of here. What do you folks think? Which way do we go? Follow the Yellow Brick Road. Now why didn't I think of that? Sing along, folks. You know the words.
From all of us here at Disney's Hollywood Studios and Turner Classic Movies, we hope you've enjoyed our tour through some of my favorite films. But remember, there are many more adventures waiting for you every day on TCM.
We didn't need dialogue. We had to face it.
Wait a minute. You ain't heard nothing yet. Step in time!
You best start believing in ghost stories, Miss Turner.
Is it safe?
Look up your gun!
I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
I'm a man. Well, nobody's perfect.
Shut up!
Force will be with you always.
I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
I want to be alone. We didn't land on Plymouth Rock. Plymouth Rock landed on us.